Hello everyone, I am Sampath Nayak. Welcome to my channel. In this video, we will see how to create a long exposure image without using ND filter in a basic camera. Basic camera means a camera which don't have exposure bracketing. In exposure bracketing also you can do a long exposure shot, but this video is for them who don't have exposure bracketing settings in their camera. The capturing technique is very simple. You need to mount your camera on the tripod and take 5 to 10 images in the interval of 5 to 10 seconds. So while capturing, always shoot in the RAW mode, not in the JPEG mode. RAW mode gives you more flexibility for editing than a JPEG. Once you capture a 5 to 10 images, then we will post process it in the Photoshop. So let's jump into the Photoshop and we'll see how to edit these images to get the long exposure shot. These are the 5 images I captured using a tripod and my basic Sony a6000. So this is like clouds are moving, and we'll get a little disturbance in the lakes. Okay, so let's open Photoshop. In that, select these 5 photos and drag to your Photoshop window. As you see, this is a raw file image, so it will open in this raw folder. That you can see 5 images are get opened. So what you can do is just select all by pressing Ctrl and your mouse, then select open images. So it will take little bit of time. So it is successfully imported 5 photos. So now what you can do is just go for the file, then go for the scripts, then go into load files into stack. Click here. You can see this window. So click on add open file, so that it will open the 5 images which you have captured. Then say okay. So it will create a new window. In that, it will stack the 5 images like this. In the layer button, you can see layer window, you can see there are 5 images of stack. So for increasing the speed, you can close these remaining windows. So once you do that, select this all layer and then right click. You can see convert to smart objects. This smart object helps us to make this transition very smooth. So once this happens, you will see like this, all of 5 layers are converted into one smart object. So again go in the layer, then go smart objects. In that smart objects, go to the stack mode, then select mean. This mean, median, minimum, range and all are the statistics. If you study statistics in your PU level, you can understand that. It will adjust the difference of image into one image by using a mean method. So it is rendering. Now we can see this image, these clouds are like little bit modified. This is now similar looking like a long exposure shot. Once you do that, just double click and rasterize layer, and you can start editing your photo. So I hope you like this video. If you did, please subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram and Facebook. We will see you in the next video. Bye bye.